Hello guys, let's start the next video for soil resources in India. In the previous videos we learned about different soils, and today we will read about the types of soils and the characteristic features of each and every soil. This is the all in all whole idea of the whole lesson. I will try to include each and every point in this video. This will be the last for the soil resources. But until unless, I repeat again, until unless you read the lesson, you will not get your ideas clear. So, four types of soils which we read in the previous video are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, and laterite soil. Now, the characteristic features of each and every soil. For example, first of all, take alluvial soil. What we will read in this chapter, what you're going to read in this chapter, that the alluvial soil, what is its origin? As we know, this is a transported soil. This is transported from one place to another by the rivers or riverine soil. It is found 30 meters above the flood level of the rivers. Its characteristic features, its color, it's light to dark, texture or composition means it's rich in humus and other things. Fertility, it is very fertile soil. It is suitable for every kind of crop. It is good for both rabi crop and kharif crop. If it is irrigated properly, it can support every kind of crop. Then suitability to crops, it can be suitable for wheat, rice, and sugarcane and every kind of crop you find in northern India. Areas and states, we will read about that, in which areas or states the alluvial soil is found. Remember students, there is a difference between area and state. If it is about states, then write Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, like that. But if it is about area, then no state names will come, but the areas will come. For example, I'll show you in the next video. After reading all the 6 points regarding alluvial soil, we will move to black soil. And after starting black soil, we will read again all the 6 points for black soil. Same way, all the 6 points for red soil and laterite soil. So each and every soil's origin, characteristic, color, texture, fertility, suitability to crop, areas and states are different. So this is a whole lesson which is left behind. So see you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.